Welcome to another installment of the Royal Purple panel truck build. I'm Tim Strange from Strange Motion. We've been bringing you little videos here and there, little quick ones, kind of like a cake baking video, as we build this project. We're doing some lead-ins for the parts, and then we'll show you at the end. So we kind of edit and go along. We've been handling the whole build for Royal Purple right here at the shop, and we're getting ready to put the wiring harness in it. At Strange Motion, we like to use the Ron Francis kits. They got the Express kit right here. You can mount the unit anywhere you want it, and then you terminate the wires yourself in here. So if you want to have it in the trunk, up underneath the dash, underneath the rear seat, anywhere you want, you can put that. And they give you extra wire if you want to put it in the trunk or whatever. You can order it that way, which they usually give you plenty of wire anyway. You get everything included in a kit. You order it, what the motor is, you know, what kind of alternator and everything, and they build the individual kits for you. Comes with instructions and individual bags. And each individual bag is, like for instance, here's bag A, which is the alternator. Comes with the wires for the alternator. They're colored and numbered, so you can also trace them on the instructions, colored and numbered. And in each bag, the instructions for that subdivision of the wiring is included in each one, folded up right in each bag. So that's one thing we use from Ron Francis. Down here on the other end of the table is the other stuff. A lot of people think they just build wiring harnesses, but they build all kinds of electrical doodads, gadgets, and stuff. So we like to get the battery cable kits too. We get them extra long because we usually run a couple batteries in them. They come with the terminals, the ends, cables, and then a few other things that they make, which we also like to do just so it's easier to hook up all the wiring underneath the dash, is they have these terminal strips. You mount them up underneath there, you run power into the one side, and then so it's hot on that whole brass strip, and it comes with all the little screws so you can run power jumps off of that instead of having to go back for all of your power right to the main fuse panel. They have them for power and for grounds too. You know, it's always trouble finding grounds, and you're always wondering if your grounds are loose, if you put a screw into a paint job or whatever. This is the same type of way. Hook a ground, hook it to a main chassis ground, and then you can run all your ground strips right off of there. Also, we always put remote jumpers because we're usually hiding the batteries someplace. So we mount these someplace. These also come from Ron Francis. So be sure to check out Ron Francis for all your wiring and power needs, and tell them Tim Strange sent you.